Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today, I'm sorry, I'm posting this a bit late because I was actually doing something else. Again, I have actually started this recording pretty late because I knew that at market open this was supposed to go down, and then I was still waiting for the second candle's reaction. So if you the one which you're seeing a long wick down is at 9:30, and then I waited again for some space to be created, and then again and then again. So I ended up going in, as you can see on the left, at 4360. Once it crossed 4360, the reason being, as you can see, there's this huge resistance that was stopping 4360, and I knew that once it crosses 4360 again, it could go up. So I entered at 4360, and it ended up going up till 4380, and my stop loss is at 43. So there are two stop losses in my mind. First key level was 4320. As you can see, 4320 was acting as a line of resistance, which it did respect, and then again it's coming down. So I was expecting if it comes down to 43, that's when I would leave this trade and move out. um, but luckily it did not. But you'll see more in the video how it did ended up turning into. It did take around 10 minutes for this trade, so I'm gonna fast forward this trade and come back while taking the profits and explaining why I did take the profits and I moved out. Also, guys, again, this is from Trade Zero, because I have a swing position on my interactive broker. The only reason I'm using interactive broker, I'm using Trade Zero, is because it gives me more margin and interactive doesn't. But I love interactive broker; they are much more responsive and very fast if you place an order. But anyways, coming back to Trade Zero. um, so this was my today's trade. My entry was at 4360. I'm currently on red, but it's respecting my first key level, which is 4320. If it breaks 4320, then I have my second key level, which would act as my stop loss. That's 4280 around, because I'll just use that as a spillage sometimes. So yeah, so I'll just come back when I take my profits, and I'll try and fast forward it. I'm using iMovies, so usually this, I don't know how to make this more faster, because it's just two times more that I can increase the speed. So I'm really sorry if it doesn't go much fast than expected. But yeah, and as you can see, it's coming up again, but it would go down a bit more and then jump back up. See you guys on the other end. So guys, as you can see now at 43, 44, 43.97, I did exit my trade. It did end up going up a little bit more at around 43.10, but then it went really down till 43, 42.50, I suppose, or 42.680, 70 something. And then as you can see now, it's around almost 1 o'clock and it's rocketing it up to 43 to 30. So yeah guys, that was my today's trade and hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe. And my only reason to get off at 44 was because it was a round number, and our pre-market, as you can see, there was lots and lots of uh, what do you say, resistance at 44, stopping all the traders, and I knew a lot of traders would take profit at 44. That's why I went off. And yeah guys, make sure you subscribe and like this, and let me know in comments what questions do you have, and see you guys.